Use keyboard shortcuts in Excel. Welcome to the channel. Now we will learn keyboard shortcut in Excel. This includes knowing how to navigate the interface, inputting data, creating formulas, and formatting cells. You can find many online tutorials that cover these topics, including Microsoft's own Excel training courses. Use keyboard shortcuts in Excel. Excel has many keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and make your work more efficient. For example, instead of using your mouse to select cells, you can use the arrow keys or the tab key. You can also use shortcuts like Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste data. Ctrl+C, copy selected cells. Ctrl+V, paste copied cells. Ctrl+X, cut selected cells. Ctrl+Z, undo last action. Ctrl+Y, redo last action. Ctrl+F, find and replace. Ctrl+A, select all cells in the worksheet. Ctrl+B, apply or remove bold formatting. Ctrl+I, apply or remove italic formatting. Ctrl+U, apply or remove underline formatting. Ctrl+1, open the Format Cells dialog box. Ctrl+5, apply or remove strike-through formatting. Ctrl+Shift+#, apply date format. Ctrl+Shift+@, apply time format. Ctrl+Shift+%, apply percentage format. Ctrl+Shift+and, apply outline border. Ctrl+Shift+_, remove outline border. Ctrl+Shift+, apply general number format. Ctrl+Shift+$, apply currency format. Please subscribe the channel.